Welcome to this 2-minute demo of Englicious activities. First, we're going to look at accessing the website, logging in, registering and navigating. So if you visit Englicious.org, you can click resources or view resources to look straight away. And then we have our list on the left-hand side. If we select one and click view resource, we'll get to the resource, but we'll see a pop-up saying there's a limited number we can view in a day. This is because we want people to register and to log in to access our full resources. And if you do that, registering is free. All the access of resources is free. It just registers you and you can subscribe to our newsletter. So I have my credentials, so I'll log in now and go back to the resources page, and now we can view everything on the website for free. We have a lot of resources, so you can use the right hand menu to organize those by, for example, most popular, and then below that you can select, for instance, the level primary. In the top left corner now there'll be a tag, and we can narrow that down further. So for example, we could look at all the lessons at primary level. So if we just choose one lesson as an example and then click view resource, and we come to the instruction page, you'll see some words are bolded and underlined. If we mouse over those words, we get a glossary definition, and we can press plus to see even more detail about that. And there's a full glossary on the top menu bar. This has lots of definitions. Any of the definitions with a white box are exactly as they appear in the National Curriculum Glossary, but you can see we have lots of extra entries there for clarity. If we scroll down the instructions and go straight to the activity, we get an overview of all the different activities in this lesson. The top right hand whiteboard button gives us a new pop-up where we can see these slides in order and just click to switch between slides and go through the lesson that way. So you can project this on an interactive whiteboard and have learners come up, and in this activity they would use the questions to help them define if a word is an adjective or not by using different criteria. So that's our first video, giving you an overview of the navigation, glossary and registering.